Well, good morning. It's 10 to 10 on a Tuesday morning. A little bit moist outside, but I'm out fishing. I'm here till Thursday afternoon, so hopefully we'll get a few on the bank. I'm at Milton pools. Pegs 2 and 3 with Coxie, and Hayden's in 4. No, sorry, he's in 1. So far we've not had a lot. There is signs of fish about, but none in our swim. It's early days, so we'll see how we do. My left hand board is out towards the little stump. Got boilie on there. The other one is between the 2 trees at the end of the left hand island, and about 6 foot of water there, so we will see if Lady Luck smiles on us. Just had a little knock on the halibut pellets. Second knock I've had on there, nothing on the boilie yet. I'll show you my rigs and how I'm fishing as the session progresses. Boilie wise, I'm using at the moment. I'm using Outlaw Pro squid and octopus. Loose feed, I've got corn, crumb and pellet, and a few old boilies, and just a pop up on a Ronnie rig. On the cat rig, I've got 3 20mm halibut pellets, 2 red, 1 black at the moment. Don't know if that'll make any difference because cats don't really see that great. I've put a lot more hali pellet in than I would normally, on the hope that filling it in will bring them in. Actually done 3 hoppers fulls on the halibut pellet, whereas normally I'd put half a load at the most. So but yeah, hopefully that'll kick start it and get things working, waking up. O'clock on day 1. I'm on the scorecard. First I had a bream, probably about £5, but then I had my first ever proper size grass cup, 21 £3/4, which, considering my previous best grass carp was about £2, I'm more than happy with. Not a lot happening on the catfish. Paul's had, gentleman down there, he's had a 51 pound something catfish. One a bit smaller, he didn't weigh, but he's targeting carp, so. But when you get a £50 plus cat, that is worth having any day. Bit of surface movement, so I'm seriously considering trying the pellet waggler in a bit again. Well, I say again, I haven't tried it yet, but I've been pinging pellets out. I've also, I don't know if the camera picked it up, just seen a load of small fry. Get spooked by something just down by, just past my rod tips. So, might have been the bird that's flying about. But we'll keep an eye in case there's something predatory milling about down there. Oh, 10:30 on day 2. Not a lot happening. I haven't had anything since the grassy. I did get done last night on my cat rod. That chewed through 70-pound braid, so a bit gutted about that because that was a decent fish. Cox has had 2 cats, mid-teens. Unfortunately, Hayden still ain't had anything yet, but we've got another day to go, so hopefully that'll change. There's Hayden and Coxie just chilling and relaxing. I've stuck with the same methods. Changed my bait though, instead of boilie I've got sweet corn on now. Not a lot happening on that. Getting the odd knock on the cat rod, but not bagging up. But still early, and got all day, all night, and all day tomorrow. Well, what can I say? 7:30 on day 2. A little bit damp. I've had an interesting day. I had one cat earlier, 31 pound. But I have, in the last hour and a half, lost 2 decent sized catfish. First one I thought might not have hooked properly because it straightened the hook out a little bit. Second one, it absolutely destroyed the hook. That is what's left of a flattened circle hook. Now, I don't normally slag off tackle companies, but for what's supposed to be a good strong hook to straighten like that, it's absolutely farcical, and I'm never going to buy flat-on fishing gear again, and I advise all of you watching to do the same, because it's going to cost you good fish. Hopefully I'll get a couple more bites, because they did seem to be on the feed, but at the moment nothing happening since the hook straightened and I put out a different rig. I'm using Palatrax Eagle Wave claw hooks now, so hopefully they're stronger and will do as good a job. Well, it's the morning of day 3 and not a lot happening. Coxie had one cat overnight, I got snapped off yet again, so that's 4 cats I've lost, 2 to snap offs, 1 bit through 70-pound braid. Last night I'm pretty sure he took me round something sharp because the way the line was abraded, and the other 2 have been thanks to Fladden's absolutely crap circle hooks. But there you go, got a few more hours left, so might get 1 or 2 out. Sunnier day today at the moment, forecast to rain later, but we'll do what we can.
Bit of a chunk to it.
Well, last knockings, barrel's nearly full. It's just started raining, during packing up in the wet. Net result, I've had 2 cats, both low mid-30s, 21-pound summit grass carp and a brig. Lee's had 3 1/4 cats, and unfortunately Hayden has run out of time. We're off to Pondwood tomorrow morning, and if he don't catch there, he needs to take on golf. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video.